You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, guys. So, as you have heard all across social media, we're working on new merchandise. We just partnered with a new company. We thank you guys for coming to the channel. We ask that you check out our new designs. We've been working really hard with this company. We're really excited about them. We want you to partake in them. There'll be beanies for the holidays. There'll be new shirts already up there. We'll do a whole bunch of new products. So once again, even if you don't buy any merchandise, please at least subscribe to the channel. It always helps us. We got a team of people now, so any support we get, we thank you guys.
Hey guys, what's going on? Giving away ovens, giving away temp spikes, doing some simple, easy holiday desserts. So let me tell you how easy this is. Ready? Do you remember the video where I took the peanut butter, microwaved it, took the icing, microwaved it, mixed it together, cooled it, and it was like Lazy Man fudge? This is called Lazy Man chocolate whips. You literally are going to take the mix, chocolate cake mix, devil food, whatever, okay? Mix it with Cool whip topping, or regular whip topping, whatever you got, okay? Roll in this and put it on a cookie sheet and bake it. Are you kidding me? I can do that. Alright, let's get it started. Alright, go ahead and put in the chocolate cake mix. We're using Devil's Food in this video, but any chocolate cake mix will do. Get it all spread out. Take one container of Cool Whip or whip topping. Get it all out of there. Put it all in with cake mix. Make sure the whipped cream is soft and at room temperature or refrigerator, not frozen, okay? Alright, now we're going to literally mix the two together. That's it. Okay guys, use a small ice cream or medium scooper. Scoop it, drop in the powdered sugar, roll it around a little bit, set it on the cookie sheet. And these are called chocolate whips, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it again, drop it in the sugar, and then roll it around gently. Get some sugar on it, and put it on the cookie sheet. You're going to bake this sheet once it's full at 350 for 12 minutes. Alright, before we try these, we're going to let them cool. They're very soft to the touch. They're almost like cloud chocolate cookies. If this tastes good, I'll be blown away. I'm sure it will, but this is so simple. So let's get some on a plate and give it a try. Ready? These are holding together perfectly. They're so soft. Lazy Man chocolate whips. This is another home run. You gotta make this. Look at that. What happened?